Dyna-Slide, the sound of smoothness, the sight of gentleness, the feel of safety. Dyna-Slide, the patented materials handling concept from Lipe Automation Equipment. Dyna-Slide is the most gentle, flexible, and simple materials handling system available. It operates without using belts, pulleys, rollers, chains, sprockets, and other moving components that can jam and clog. This means fewer breakdowns, increased reliability, less maintenance, and greater operator safety. Lipe Automation Equipment, located in Syracuse, New York, is with over 100 years of experience in quality product manufacturing. Lipe Automation is dedicated to the design and manufacture of standard and custom Dyna-Slide conveyor systems, parts feeders, orienters, and accumulators. Our patented Dyna-Slide concept combines a rigid aluminum conveyor bed lined with a special brush and uses a variable speed vibrator to provide a smooth, gentle flow of parts. The brush bristles are angled so they push the parts forward and slide back under them as the bed is rapidly vibrated, giving a finger-like action to the conveyor bed and additional control to the part. Vibrators can be driven by compressed air or, more commonly, by 115 volts AC power. By using a strobe light, we can visually slow down the vibration, allowing us to clearly see the extent of the motion of the vibrator and of the brush bed. The vibrator is attached to the brush bed with springs, and the bed and vibrator assembly is mounted on the rest of the Dyna-Slide unit, also with springs. The springs contribute to the proper vibratory action. This unique combination minimizes breakage of delicate parts and the danger of marring, nicking, and scratching highly finished, highly machined, or other critical parts. The brush liner is attached to the bed with Velcro strips and is easily removed for cleaning. It is made of a durable, flexible polypropylene or nylon bristle that enhances feed rates by providing optimum surface contact between irregular parts and the conveying surface. An engineered bias in the brush can be used to alter the normal linear flow of parts without hard diverters, turning a corner, for example, and merging lanes or intersections or circulating parts in feeder systems and parts accumulators. This capability of Dyna-Slide is difficult for other material handling systems. Dyna-Slide systems can incorporate additional tooling to orient and feed parts for special situations. Here, tube tooling feeds small parts in a continuous stream to the next operation, rejecting those not oriented correctly to go around again. Dyna-Slide is especially effective where parts accumulate in a conveyor system and back pressure from a driven belt can mar the underside of a part or impose nicking damage from one part impinging on another. The controller for each system uses industrial standards for simple and quick maintenance. When electronic technology such as a programmable logic controller or PLC is applied for part orientation, a higher degree of sophistication creates additional value. These controllers provide individually adjustable speed control. Here, variable speed controls allow parts to go from slow to higher speed sections to separate parts. Here, the opposite, from higher to lower speed sections to accumulate parts. Other brush bed configurations are available, such as V-track and curve for special situations. The Dyna-Slide concept provides an exciting alternative for a wide range of parts handling applications, like transferring castings between finishing operations in the automotive field, from electrical switches to a variety of engine and drive components. In the electronics field, moving everything from individual components to fully populated circuit boards. For glass and ceramics, Dyna-Slide is highly effective because of its delicate handling capabilities. For moving bearings and a multitude of grinding applications, auto inspection and the like, protecting critically ground surfaces. And Dyna-Slide is highly effective for moving powdered metal parts, especially to take off, accumulate, and transfer green unsintered parts from a press to the following operation. Now let's look at just a few of the many applications of the Dyna-Slide concept that Lipe Automation Equipment has manufactured during the past few years in 3 categories: conveyors, accumulators, and orienter feeders. First, conveyors. Although we offer a complete line of standard conveyors, Lipe Automation Equipment designs and manufactures custom conveyors to solve any difficult parts handling problem. Lipe Automation custom engineered this Dyna-Slide installation to handle difficult parts that would be impossible to handle on any standard conveyor. Parts are transported and accumulated between workstations with minimal back pressure, allowing an efficient and safe flow of difficult-shaped parts. The problem of parts separation is resolved in this plastic injection molding application. Finished parts fall through the rails, while scrap is carried off to a regrind area. This application shows the simplicity of rotating a highly machined part 180 degrees. This Dyna-Slide unit replaced a more complex and less reliable robot, providing the customer with increased production and better reliability. When precise positioning is required, Dyna-Slide conveyors provide accuracy and speed. Here, single ceramic floor tiles are organized into a pattern in 8 seconds at a rate of 540 pieces per minute. This Dyna-Slide installation shows green unfired powdered metal gears being transferred from a press to the centering furnace. The polypropylene brush deburrs parts while moving them without any nicking or chipping. These uniquely designed press outfeed conveyors have a low-profile design that lends itself as an outfeed for metal stamping or powdered metal press applications. When imbalances occur in the production flow of parts, Dyna-Slide accumulator tables are a simple, cost-effective solution. Dyna-Slide accumulation tables can be configured in many ways to be used for a variety of applications, from filling an empty table for operator unloading to discharging a bulk load single file to an assembly machine. Dyna-Slide accumulators are sized to the application and can be used for parts orienters and feeders. We do this by arranging the bias of the brush in different directions on multiple conveyor sections, which gently moves the parts as desired. This accumulating table is used as a buffer and parts feeder. The parts circulate until they reach the exit lane. Here, tooling selects those with the proper orientation for entry to the exit conveyor. This accumulator feeder aligns bearings for transportation to an assembly machine. Highly machined parts are protected by the gentle conveying surface. Dyna-Slide feeder orienters are versatile, safe, quiet, gentle, and provide simple solutions to parts handling problems. Dyna-Slide feeders can handle a large family of part sizes in a single feeder because of adjustable or interchangeable tooling. Fragile applications are no problem for Dyna-Slide feeders. Here, light bulbs are handled at a rate of over 100 per minute with extreme gentleness, reducing scrap to 0. This multi-lane feeder meets the demands of high-speed, accurate orientation. Parts are not recirculated. Instead, the system provides proper flow no matter what the position of the part. Our no-scratch polypropylene surfaces guarantee that even cosmetic parts are not damaged. Here we are using head-hanging tooling to orient parts while misoriented ones are recirculated. Here an accumulator and feeder are combined to meet the customer's needs. In this particular application, LIPE automation equipment used accessories to achieve the final orientation. LIPE automation equipment is modular, so our customers and our engineers can incorporate accessories like this dumper hopper. The dumper unloads on demand into a Dyna-Slide feeder and is then fed into a centerless grinding operation. These Dyna-Slide feeder systems orient parts for centerless grinding. They are presented on the outside diameter and conveyed to the grinder work rest. Because LIPE automation offers interchangeable tooling, setups are fast and a wide variety of parts can be fed from the same feeder into a grinder. Our bases are adjustable to accommodate for wheel wear and centerline variation. Through the use of interchangeable tooling, LIPE automation was able to feed over 30 different parts to secondary operations as well as gauging and inspection operations. This flexible feeder handled all the parts shown here with 5 interchangeable tooling setups. The following are additional applications in which LIPE automation equipment met the challenges of its customers. Dyna-Slide, the patented materials handling concept from Lipe Automation Equipment. Smooth, gentle, American-made vibratory conveyors and